Established in 2001, Aditya Engineering College is affiliated with Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University and has a NAC Grade A accreditation. Part of the Aditya Academy, it holds a 4.2 star rating on Shiksha.com from students. Let's discover in this review video starting with its 3.9 star rated placements. As per reports, the 2023-24 placement saw participation from 110 recruiters including Deloitte, Global Logic, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, DMart, Accenture, Vodafone, HP, Asian Paints, Surya and Pentagon Space among others. Notably, Surya Tech Solutions made the highest number of offers, extending 122 opportunities to BTech students. As per student reviews, the highest package was around 29 lakh per annum offered by Japanese firm. In 2022-23 placements, 129 companies including DXC Technology, Deloitte, ICICI Bank and TCS hired over 1,284 students. The highest salary stood at 18.36 lakh per annum, whereas the average was 3.5 lakh per annum. Reviews indicate that the college offers 100% placements with third-year training emphasizing problem solving, critical thinking and communication skills. The top roles offered include software engineer, associate engineer, full stack developer, web developer and automobile engineer. While the college facilitates internships, students must actively pursue them. Internship recruiters include renowned companies such as Amazon, Google, Walmart and TCS. Did you know that initially the college offered only 3 BTech specializations with a combined intake of just 180 students? Now it has expanded to offer 11 BTech specializations with total intake of 1,080. Notably, computer science engineering includes 2 additional specializations in AI, ML and data science. Eligibility for admission requires a minimum of 45% marks in 10+2 and prospective students need to clear the AP EAM-CET entrance exam. As per the AP EAM-CET cutoff trend, the last round's closing rank for mining and IT specializations has increased from the previous year, indicating a more accessible admission path. Conversely, specializations such as Agri, Civil, EEE, ME, CSE, ECE, AIML and DS have tighter closing ranks, making admission more competitive than 2021. The total BTech cost is around 2.04 lakhs, aligning well with the average salary expectancy of 3.5 lakhs. This results in a promising ROI and a 4-star value for money rating from students. Let's take a look at what students are saying about the 4.3 star rated infrastructure. Set on a lush 180-acre campus, this college is a green oasis 15 km from the nearest railway station, offering a peaceful escape from the city life. Students praise the college's infrastructure, noting its well-organized blocks, seminar halls, air-conditioned classrooms with projectors, and resource centers with reading rooms. There are various libraries, including a central one with over 80,000 books. The college provides free Wi-Fi, ensuring connectivity for both study and entertainment purposes. The college has 2 boys' hostels and 1 girls' hostel with rooms for 3 students in AC and non-AC options, all with attached bathrooms. However, students have raised concerns about high hostel fees and extra power charges. There are multiple canteens with diverse food options. Hostel mess serves nutritious meals and snacks outside regular hours. Students enjoy the food and accommodation but sometimes encounter water shortages. Shifting gears to the 4.1 star rated faculty and course curriculum segment. Faculty are kind, highly qualified with many holding PhDs. They deliver quality education through detailed explanations using real-world examples. The curriculum is industry relevant and the college hosts hackathons, workshops and offers a technical hub for training in new technologies and coding practice. Coming to the 4.4 star rated campus life now. AEC offers various clubs and societies that organize events year-round. Along with a couple of major annual events, the college also emphasizes sports, hosting events such as triathlons and car races. Talking about the NIRF ranking, this college is yet to secure a spot among India's BTech colleges in the NIRF rankings. For more details on Aditya Engineering College and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.